Just want to make this quick video in case you guys didn't know that we do have a Discord found in the description of just about every video. Just about. And some of the videos from at least recently and for the next few weeks have all been from this section here, this channel here, where people have submitted their suggestions for videos. For example, we have the one for multi-meshing down here. We have the flying suggestion down here, the Lego style flying, which I believe did pretty well. I believe you guys enjoyed that. So that was a suggestion here. And we've got a variety of other suggestions that will be coming up over the next few weeks. But if you want to go ahead and join the Discord, by all means, again, link in the description. And if you want to be able to suggest some videos, you can always do it right here. And if they get done, then they'll get this completed tag next to it, so then you know it is done. It's just a matter of time before it shows up.